Welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and also I welcome every new member to my channel. To please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. So guys, on to this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. For those of you who are very busy, you don't have time to go to the salon, you don't have money to lose at the salon, yeah. This is the cheapest way to do your nails. I love it. I like it just because of the colors and the designs on them. That's what I like, because I cannot do all the designs at home, so I like to buy, and it's cheap and sexy. That's what I love about them. So I'm kind of confused on which ones to say, which color. These two. I got these two babies. I'm gonna go with the green one. They are looking sexy and nice. What I'm gonna be needing today for my nails is nail clippers to clip my nails, cuticle pusher to push down my cuticles so that I don't get any injuries during the process. I got this, I think it's a cuticle cleaner or something, yeah, to clean my cuticle, all the dead cells around my nails. With this I used to clean. I got nail file. The other side is rough and the other side is blown, so I use it to block my nail before I glue on the nail. So the other thing is glue. I like the super glue because it glues down, it holds it very good, so that it can last maybe 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, and I do everything with them. I work with them, I cook with them, I clean with them, I do everything. Although I always go around with glue in my purse because maybe I might lose a nail, so it's okay. The next thing is transparent nail polish to give it a kind of glue, to make it sparkly. And then the next thing is nail polish remover to clean my nails, and to clean my nails if there's any oil on my nails before I begin. And the next thing is cotton. I need cotton to clean my nails with the nail polish. So guys, so stay tuned if you want to see my beauty secret. I'm so excited to get these babies on. So the first thing I do is to block my nail, and I prep them to get them ready for the babies. So and now I push down my cuticles so that the nail and the cuticles can flush and make it look natural and give it the natural look. So I push down the cuticles, and then I clean the dead cells on the cuticles and also the white powder from my nails. So that's how I do it. I clean the cuticles now. Then I use the nail polish remover and I clean them. I clean excess oil on my fingernails, or the white powder that I blob the nails with, the white powder. And now I clean my hands, so there's no oil on my hand or no water. I make them dry. I make a choice. I take the green ones like I said in the video because they are sexy. Yep, so sexy. Yeah, so now I try the nails on. I place them on my finger. I do a fitting of the nails, and I place them on the table because I don't want to mix the nails, so I have to lay them down on the table as I'm gonna use them, so that I don't make a mistake. This fingers never has a nail, so I always have to shape another nail or a bigger nail for it. I shape it. You can see I file the edges of the nail to make it fit on the finger. So that's what I'm doing. If it doesn't fit, I have to shape it a little bit more until it fits. Yeah, that's my lineup, as you can see. So let's begin. I start with the small fingers because if I use the big fingers, if I start with the big fingers, they will not be able to put the small fingers. So it's better to start with the small fingers. As you can see, guys, I just dropped the gum inside and I smoothen it out on the area that I'm gonna place on my nails, so that I don't get excess gum on my fingers. I don't like the gum to touch my body or my cuticles. I don't like it around there. So I put a drop of gum in the nail and I flatten it out. I make it flat, I smooth it out on the area, just on the area that I'm gonna place on my nails. And then I place it, and watch carefully, guys. I put it on the finger, I push it down slightly to enter the cuticles, to fit with the cuticles, so that it give it that natural look. As you can see, guys, that's what I'm doing. So when I put it like that, I hold it like for 5 seconds for the glue to glue, and then I pat it like 2 times, yeah, to make sure it's firm. Yeah, as you can see, that's the big fingers. It is very easy to use the small fingers to put the big fingers. Not very easy to use the big finger to put the small finger, because the nails are small. So it will be hard for you to use this nail to hold a small nail. So that's just how I do it. I don't know if it works for you, but if it works for you, please comment down to know. So I place it and I push it down a little bit to go in the cuticle, and I pat. As you can see, I stun. Oh God, they look so fabulous. So the next thing I do is I trim them down, because I don't like them so long, because they will be disturbing when I'm working. So it's better to trim them. I trim them almost like the same level with my natural nail. So I trim them like that, because at work it will be so easy to work with that. So, and also I file the edges to make them smooth. Yeah, I make them smooth. After doing that, I clean my fingers a little again, because of the filing, the dust. Yeah. Last but not the least is the transparent. The transparent or top coat. So that's what I use on top of the nail. I just make a top coat on the nails, because if you don't use this on the nails, the color will go off when you are working, especially when you touch water. The colors just come off. So when you put this like 2 times of this, it makes it look sexy and glowing and fabulous. So guys, that's what I'm doing. That's the last part. So you see how easy it is to do nails at home. Also, guys, I have a video on my on my channel about how to take this off, how to take off fake nails. So guys, check it out and give it a thumbs up. So if this video is of any help to you, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join my squad and share and press the little bell button. Our inspirational message for today is, if you are pursuing love, just know in your heart that love is pursuing you. So give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share for more videos. So guys, mwah, I love you all. I love you all so much. Peace.